Sorry, suddenly my video stopped, so I don't, uh, so I cannot show you inside of the hotel. Now I am showing you inside of the hotel, so don't mind. Have a look, friends, inside of the hotel. Hotel Del Vitam in Jalpaiguri. Have a look, friends, inside of the hotel. Family restaurant. Have a look, friends. Our serviceman inside of the hotel. Fully AC.